Hey all, glad to join us back with a new video. Well, with the Christmas Mania going on, I thought of doing an art challenge. That too based on Christmas. Yes friends, you heard it right. Challenge and Christmas. Well, what challenge it is? Well, it's an already done challenge by me. That is the 10 minute, 1 minute and the 10-second drawing art challenge. So I previously did one. You can click right here to check that out. So today, we'll be drawing the famous movie character Grinch. And of course, you know the story written by Dr. Seuss. He's the one who found the character Grinch. So yeah, we'll be drawing Grinch in 10 minutes, 1 minute and 10 seconds. So let's start drawing. So yeah, I have my timers ready. Set for 10 minutes. In 3, 2, 1. So yeah, our 10 minute Grinch has turned out good. So now time for the 1 minute Grinch. So let me just again set the timers to 1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute. So yeah, let's go for it. In 3, 2, 1. So for this pretty much I'm not going to do a regular practice sketch. It's going to be direct. And pretty much I need to hurry. So yeah. Oh, done. That's indeed pretty much funny. So yeah, let's so if we compare this Grinch with this 1 minute Grinch, yeah, there are pretty much differences. I couldn't do the shading part to it because the drawing itself was a bit funny. I feel that the eyes are a little bit okay. So yeah, time for the last thing, that is the 1 second, 10 second. And seriously, it's going to be real tough. So I guess maybe the shading part will be quite tough for this one. So yeah, let's see. Ta-da, let's set it to 10 seconds. So yeah, let's set our timers to 10 seconds. Done. So yeah, this is going to be a tricky part and all. So no talk for this. Straight drawing. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, seriously? This real funny. You can see this Grinch over here, pretty much good with all the shading part, and I love it. And this one, yeah, pretty much is also okay until then the eyes part of it. Yeah, and it looks as if some crackers in it. yeah, and then the hands are pretty much too small when compared like thin here on the medium size. And here comes the highlight. Obviously, maybe it does not look like Grinch, but indeed it looks like some of the ghost or kind of maybe. I couldn't even complete the hands though. Yeah, so I couldn't complete the hands, and here just looks like a sort of minions hair. And of course the nose pretty much looks like the cartoon noses for Tom and Jerry, etc. So yeah, overall I guess the Grinch smile over here is the highlight, and here yeah, maybe a few mistakes, yet it resembles Grinch a bit, but this one yeah. So friends, I hope you enjoy this Christmas challenge video. Stay tuned for more of these and also the Christmas Mania art challenges. Well, on that note, it isn't art challenge like this, but like a day-to-day basis upload of art video. Yeah, stay tuned, and yeah, for more cool stuff and the Christmas Mania. Thank you for watching.